Coach Manny Diaz, this one is for you. And I want you to listen to me. I want you to listen to me real close, man. I want you to understand. I know you born and raised in Miami, but you need to understand what this U was built on. Because it's obviously that it's obvious, and I'm not going to delete that. I'm not going to do a retake. It is obvious that you don't understand as of yet what it takes to be a Miami Hurricane. See, you grew up in Miami, but you went to school up north in Tally Ho. You didn't go to UM. I don't think you understand the culture of Miami. I think you think that you brought the turnover chain to Miami and your job was done. You have to do nothing else. But I'm going to tell you, acting like a real bitch right now. You acting like a real scared bitch right now. That's what you acting like. You acting like you can't walk through no hood in Miami right now. You've gained weight. You've gotten soft. You've gotten soft. You keep Blake Baker around so people blame Blake Baker instead of blaming you. So this is what I need you to do. From here on out, I need you to call plays. I don't give a shit whether you fire Blake Baker or not. He need to be demoted. You need to call plays. We need to see if the problem is Blake Baker or you. This is what we need to see. Because your defense, the same defense that you said that you are 100% invested in, the same defense that you said during spring and fall and summer, that you're in the defensive room with the defense. You don't pay attention to the offense. You're in every defensive huddle. You know every play call, and you co-sign every play call, which has me believing that you are making a lot of the decisions. And being that people don't like Blake, that's an easy scapegoat. So how about you be a man? How about you be a man and you demote Blake and you take over play calling? Because I can tell you right now, your father, if his name is Manny Diaz Sr., is not your real father. Right now, your father is Mac Brown because he beating your ass like you stole a mango off the neighbor's tree. That's how he's whooping your ass right now, coach. You have gotten your ass handed to you at least 2 or 3 games ever since you've been defensive coordinator. Every year. I wanted you as head coach, right? I'm starting to regret that a little bit. I'm starting to regret it a little bit because what you have done is you have started eating donuts, getting fat on the sideline with no emotion, with no feel for the game. You can't even make an adjustment. And anybody with any type of intelligence knows that if the head coach is an offensive coordinator, he's going to step in and help his offensive coordinator. Or if a defensive coordinator, he's going to step in and help his defensive coordinator. They're not going to allow them to run for 8,000 yards. This is what you did as the leader of your team. And it makes you look weak. And it makes you look soft. No matter how many people want Blake Baker fired, including myself now. No matter how many people don't like the way the offense is being ran, including myself now. At the end of the day, the defense looked bad because you look bad, Manny. You can get mad if you see this video, which you probably won't. But I was your biggest supporter from day one. And I haven't given up on you just yet. But Manny, this isn't acceptable. This is not acceptable. If Mark Richt can get fired, what do you think will happen to you? You better start doing your damn job. Because right now, you're terrible at it. You're doing the same things that Mark Richt did that you hated. I remember you quoting, "You won't blame the kids," but what you're doing now is blaming the kids. Don't blame the kids, Manny. Blame the guy who's hired 1- and 2-star coaches to coach 3-, 4-, and 5-star players. And right now I'm trying to figure out, are you the 1- or the 2-star coach? I'm out.